For this morning, I prepared sweet corn soup with macaroni for Mishka. Kasi kahapon hindi maganda yung kanyang pakiramdam. So ngayon, soft food lang muna siya. Gusto ko sanang i-blender itong mais. Kaya lang brown out ngayon. So yung aking sweet corn paste sana. Medyo malalaki lang siya. Kasi mortar and pestle lang yung gamit ko. So ito na yung kanya, ano guys, almusal. Nilagyan ko ng macaroni para kahit hindi na siya kumain ng rice, mabubusog siya dito sa macaroni. Carrots.
I go very fast.
You like it? Kumain ng dates. Hindi siya namin pinapasok sa school ngayon kasi ang hapon nagsimula yung ubo-sipon, tapos parang sinsilat siya. Tapos kagabi, nilagnat talaga siya. Pero ngayon, okay naman na siya. Hindi na siya mainit. Naglalaro na nga ito eh. Wow. Dito sa Madikeri guys, 2 times na si Mishka nagkasakit, nilagnat, ubo-sipon. Sa Bangalore dati, bihira, as in bihira dito. Parang sunod-sunod na. Nilalagnat siya, ubo-sipon. Dahil sa klema. Welcome me. Nagpabili na ako kay Abhi ng paracetamol. Umuwi siya ngayong hapon. Meron siyang pinuntahan na malapit dito. So sabi ko, bilhan niya si Mishka ng paracetamol kasi kanina, hindi naman siya ganon kainit. So pag hindi siya ganon kainit talaga, hindi namin siya pinapainom ng paracetamol kasi bumababa din naman siya. So ngayon, medyo tumaas yung kanyang lagnat. So nagpabili na ako kay Abhi. Paracetamol. If bukas hindi pa siya gumaling, magpapa-check up na kami. Ayan, gising na ata. Buti magising siya kasi paiinumin ko siya. Naririnig ko na siya. Gising na siguro sa kwarto. Naglugaw din ako ng kanin. Yun yung pakakain ko sa kanya. Wake up na, Mimi. Come on. Daddy got your medicine. Where is Miss Biscuit?
I think you can in there.
Where?
Okay, come in. Mommy, is the big cup. But not the
This one.
You remember? You eat your biscuit first and then we'll have medicine, okay? You eat biscuit first. Okay, medicine. Okay, shake your medicine. Shake it up. Ooh, shake it up. Ooh, shake it up. Ooh. Shake, shake, shake your medicine. Medicine. Oh no, it's so hard.
Open.
It's open.
Oh.
Let me see.
It's pink color.
Pink color is strawberry.
I like strawberry.
Strawberry flavor. Wait. Finish it all. Finish it all. Finish it all. Finish all.
Mommy,
Huh?
one daddy sick. Nisa didn't make me happy.
When you were sick?
No, one daddy is sick. Nisa didn't make me happy.
How Nisha didn't make you happy? Why Nisha didn't make you happy?
I don't know.
Okay, drink your medicine.
Mommy, one daddy sick. Nisa didn't make me happy.
Nisha didn't make you happy.
Yes.
Ano yung Nisha didn't make you happy? Yummy. I'm getting your water. Warm water.
Mommy, it's strawberry.
Yeah, strawberry flavor. And vanilla.
Vanilla.
Yeah, okay. Okay, we will steam after this. Finish na, finish na. This is one last na.
Mommy,
Yeah.
one daddy sick. Nisa didn't make me happy.
Really? Okay. Open mouth, Bala, open mouth. Finish. Very good. See? You finish it all. Here, water.
I want to wipe my mouth.
Okay, I will get it. I will get it. Drink here. Here.
Mommy, one daddy sick. Nisa didn't make me happy.
Yes.
I don't like gym.
You?
I don't like gym.
You don't like to steam. Okay, we will steam after this. Finish na, finish na. Why?
Drink my medicine, drink my warm water.
Okay. Medicine and warm water. And then you will be okay. Okay. Yung maganda kay Mishka, kapag umuubo siya na mayroong plema, nilalabas niya. Nag-check ako ng nebulizer. Kaya lang, bibili kami online. Wala pa kasi kaming nebulizer. Kasi dati hindi naman si Mishka talaga nagkakasakit. Kung order kami online, it will take ilang araw pa bago dumating dito. So, titingnan ni Abhi if may makita siya mamaya. Makapagtanong siya kung magkano yung nebulizer. Baka bibili kami. Kagaling lang namin sa labas kasi tinawagan ako ni Abhi na ipa-check up na lang si Mishka. Kasi kanina nagpaplano kami na bumili ng nebulizer para sa kanyang ubo. So sabi ni Abhi, para sure tayo, magtanong tayo sa doktor. So pinag-book niya kami ng appointment. So yun, agad-agad in 10 minutes dumating yung pinatawag niyang auto. Mabilis lang kami naghanda ni Mishka. Tapos mabilis lang naman kami doon. Magaling din yung doktor na nakausap namin. Pina-check upan namin. So merong 3 medicine para kay Mishka. Yung ito, paracetamol, no cold, suspension. Once a day, tapos itong dalawa, 3 times a day. Sinamahan ako ng office mate ni Abhi, guys. Dapat si Abhi yung kasama namin magpa-check up. Kaya lang, nasa meeting siya ngayon. So, hindi siya makalabas. So, nag-volunteer yung isa niyang kasama sa opisina na siya na lang yung sasama sa akin. It's either sa Patna or dito man sa Madikeri. Nag-o-offer talaga sila na samahan ako. Pero kung ako lang pupunta sa clinic, magpa-check up kay Mishka, okay lang naman. Kasi mostly ng mga doctors is nagkakaintindihan naman kami kasi nag-i-English naman sila. Carry ko naman sana. Pero nag-volunteer siya kay Abhi na siya na lang daw yung sasama sa akin. So yun, natapos kami ni Mishka. Nagchikahan pa kami ng doctor kasi yung kasama ni Abhi yung nag-introduce talaga na I'm from Philippines, love marriage, ganun. So nagchikahan pa kami. Nagtanong pa yung doctor na like, what's the difference of living here in India and sa Pilipinas, culture, food, ganyan. Tinanong niya ako kung kamusta yung ating mga medical facilities. Isa din masasabi ko is, mas mura yung gamot dito sa India, guys. As in. So, yun sabi ko sa kanya, mura yung gamot dito kumpara sa Pilipinas. So, yun. So, kanina, nagpaplano kami na bibili ng nebulizer. Kaya din natuloy kami sa check-up kasi sabi ko nebulizer kami, bibili kami ng nebulizer, pero yung gamot, hindi namin sigurado if mag-a-allow sila na walang prescription ng doktor, kaya ayun, nag-book sa Abhi. So, tinanong ko yung pedia if required ba na mag-nebulizer kami kay Mishka kasi yung ubo niya medyo matigas, tapos pag natutulog siya, parang nahihirapan siya ba. So, yun yung iniisip sana namin na bibili kami ng nebulizer. Pero sabi ng pedia, hindi naman daw required na nebulizer si Mishka. Inumin lang yung gamot, tapos sabi niya 3-4 days, andyan pa rin yan yung ubo niya, pero it's normal lang daw. Balik muna tayo.
I'll do that.
Okay, I'll do that.
Mama,
Okay. She's a big girl. Ayaw magpatulong eh. Gusto na siya na palagi yung nagbibihis, nagtatanggal ng damit. Ayaw nang magpatulong. I will get your food, okay? Okay?
Okay.
So we can drink your medicine, okay? Pero before kami umalis, pinainom ko na siya. But doctor gave you 3 medicines. Yung paracetamol, hindi ko na siya bibigyan kasi nakainom na siya kanina. Yung, ito na lang yung suspension. Mura, guys. Kasi itong sa ubo, guys, para lang may idea kayo, itong sa ubo niya, no cold syrup, decongestant, and antihistamine, 82.88 rupees. Ito namang paracetamol, 50 rupees, 50.57. Tapos itong suspension, 57. Yung isang binili kanina ni Abhi, 40 rupees lang ito. I think ito lang yung ipapainom ko sa kanya bukas. Kasi 3 times a day yung paracetamol. Pareho lang naman paracetamol. Pediatric oral suspension. Ito yung niluto ko sa kanya kanina. Lugaw. Tapos niligyan ko ng konting asin. Initin ko lang. Parang kulang yung aking tubig. Nagtitiklop ako kanina. Tapos agad-agad tumawag si Abhi na maghanda ka kasi paparating yung auto dyan. Alis kayo ni Mishka magpa-check up. Hindi natin natapos ito. Lagyan ko ng konting black pepper and salt. Konti lang yung nakain niya, guys. 3 or 4 lang. Pero ayoko na siyang i-force. Kumain muna ngayon. It's very hard. Maybe you cannot open that. Only mommy can open.
It's orange!
Yeah. What's the flavor?
Orange. I like it.
You like it? Finish. Good job. You want mommy to put water here? Okay. Then we'll use that one na lang, another 5 ml. Here. What color is this?
Pink color.
Let's see if this is pink.
Okay.
Okay, maybe white?
Now.
Let's see. It's so hard ba?
To try that is very strong.
That is very strong, mommy.
Strong.
Strong also. Oh, what color is this?
White color.
No, it's light orange.
Not orange.
Yeah?
I need a more.
Oh, that's enough.
Mommy,
Yeah.
let me try a little bit.
Okay, try what flavor is that? So, what's the flavor? Huh? Para madali yung aking life ngayon, guys. Ito yung aking lulutuin. Shahi paneer. Meron ako ditong paneer. So, ito yung masala. Ready to cook na masala. Just add paneer and tomato.
Look at you, you with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like. The way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, 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 oh mine.
What doctor said?
So cute. Bilis abhin ng pan and gatas. Now we can add our paneer. Ay, para sabay siyang maluto dyan sa ating gravy.
Mommy?
Huh?
Mommy?
Yeah?
Mommy? Mommy?
Yeah. Okay. Dapat, isa sa ingredients nito guys is cream. Pero wala kaming cream. So, naglagay lang ako ng konting jaggery. Pang dagdag tamis. Pero okay na rin. Shahi paneer. Parang ang dami ata.
done. Patayin ko na lang. Now, it's time to prepare for chapati. Luto na to eh. Keep it safe. Here's my dough.
Okay. Okay.
So, instead of cooking roti or chapati, gusto niya parata.
It's okay, huh? Roti.
Huh?
Because
It's okay
paratha
na.
will be oily.
So, chapati na lang.
Okay. You want to?
Ano okay man? Okay chapati or okay parata?
Okay, okay, Kajan.
You like parata, git
Of
ay?
course I like paratha, but it's oily. That's why I'm...
Will use ghee.
Ghee? What ghee is
So?
coming from?
Then roti,
Okay, roti.
Okay. So, balik tayo sa chapati.
You will make chapati?
Yeah. I'll roll, you cook. You roll, I cook. Mas magaling siya sa pag-form. Siya yung sa formation, ako sa pagluluto.
Anyways, today was a stressful day for me. So,
Month end.
half year closing, second quarter. Financial, those people who are working in bank and they can relate. Half yearly, so quarterly things are there.
So, ito na yung aming hapunan, guys. Shahi paneer. Ito yung aming chapati. Okay, api, meron yan siya dyan onion. Squeeze some lemon. Yan natin siya. Kain tayo. Tapos may shahi paneer.
Good. It's more tasty because of this
Coriander leaves.
yeah.
This is the first time I think that I have added coriander leaves without him insisting.
Try it, save you.
Okay. It will be more tasty with cream, but we don't have cream. Okay na yan.
It's okay. Still it's tasty.
Good.
It was my video, like my video, bye.